Okay, so part of what I'm going to do today is I'm going to provide some notes on basic language and labels for the value that you see in front of you, starting with the 3 to the second power, sometimes known as 3 squared. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change some of the settings on my pen, and I'll begin by labeling. I'm actually going to do the highlighter. And I'll begin by highlighting my first number. So the 3 in this case has a specific name. And yes, it is the 3, but when it's written in this form, the 3 takes on the following name. It is now known as, or is called, the base of the number. The 2, on the other hand, has a slightly different name. So I'm going to choose a different color there for my highlighter. And I'm going to concentrate now on this number. Now it turns out that the 2 has a different name, and it is a little bit better known because this, of course, is what we normally call the exponent. If I now want to figure out the name of the whole object, if I now want to know what do we call the base and exponent together, I'm going to surround it like this. Then the whole thing altogether is commonly called a power. And that makes some sense because many of you would have recognized this value as 3 to the second power. And these are some of the common names or some of the common labels for this type of number. Doesn't matter what the base is, the exponent, or the power as a whole. Okay? So think of this as an example that gives you information about the basic language that we're going to be using for this section. Okay? And that'll be it.